Hello everyone. Today I have a tip for a pesky soft brake pedal issue. If you have everything checked out, brake calipers working, shoes working, nothing is seized, nothing is frozen, if nothing is leaking, and here's what you should check. The brake hoses, in time the fiber cords inside break or disintegrate, and the rubber becomes really stretchy, like a garden hose. As you can see, it's stretching. This Toyota Tacoma has rear drums. Everything is working though, and nothing is frozen, nothing is seized. Even though it's got drums, it's got individual brake line for ABS and traction control. So two brake hoses for the rear, one for the left side, one for the right side. And I'm gonna show you again. See how stretchy they are. So, and front is disc. It's got dual piston, actually quad piston caliper. These are fixed. They don't have a sliding pins. And I'm gonna demonstrate this one as well. Fronts are stretchy. So if this helps, I hope it helps someone, because sometimes you can be chasing your own tail, thinking that you have done everything right, everything is working, master cylinder is working, nothing is seized, nothing is frozen, but you still can get the firm brake pedal, and brake pedal fades. It appears to be a bad master cylinder or out of adjustment rear drum brakes. But in the beginning of the video I mentioned, if everything checks out, that you cannot pinpoint the problem, this is what you should check. And this goes with all makes and models with the hydraulic brakes. So of course, if you have a performance brakes with braided brake hoses, this might not be the case, because steel braided brake hoses don't stretch unless steel cords are broken, which I have never seen. So again, I hope this helps someone, and please like and subscribe to my channel for tricks and updates and unique repair ideas. Thank you.